Students, welcome back to our channel. Today we will start number system for class 5. Now we know that there are two types of number system. One is Indian system of numeration, another one is international system of numeration. Now today we will first learn Indian number system. Now to understand Indian number system, we have to know first Indian place value chart. Now here you can see that how many places I have written: ones, thousand, lakhs, crore. Now in each and every places there are different periods written over here. First, under ones there are three places: ones, tens, hundred. We will write O for ones, we will write T for tens, we will write H for hundreds. So this is the ones place. Then comes thousands, 1000, 10,000. 1000 we will write TH, 10,000 we will write TTH. Then comes the next place, that is lakhs. 1 lakh we will write L, 10 lakh we will write TL, and then it comes crore. 1 crore, 10 crore. We will write C for 1 crore, we will write TC for 10 crore. So students, this is the Indian place value chart. Now take the example of this number 246351489, and we will do different types of sums with this example according to Indian number system. So first question is write the number in words. So to do question number 1, first of all we have to write the number again. Just write the number again and write all the place value above each digit of this number, like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now we have to write the number in words. So first is 2 and 4 under 10 crore and 1 crore. So we will write 24 crore. Then 6, 3 under 10 lakh and lakh. So we will write 63 lakh. Then 5 and 1 under 10,000 and 1,000. So we will write 51,000. And then under 100 it is written 4. So we will write 400. Under tens column it is written 8, and under ones column it is right 9. So 89, 489. Now second question is use commas to separate the periods according to the Indian place value chart. So according to, we have to follow Indian number system to put the commas to separate the different periods. Now for that we have to write the number again, and we have to write all the places above the each digit of the number. Now we know that ones, according to the Indian number system, ones is having 3 places. So after 3 places we will put 1 comma, then it comes 1000. 1000 is having 2 periods, so after 2 digit we will put 1 comma, and then lakhs is also having 2 periods, so we will put another comma after 10 lakh. So next question number 3, write the number in expanded form. So for this question you have to write down the number again, and you have to write all the places above the each digit of the number for your better understanding. So whenever you will write any number in expanded form, simply what we will do, first we will start with the first number, that is 2. So you will write 2 and just count the digits after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there. So just simple, you will put 8 zeros after 2. Then give a plus sign. Then what number comes? 4. So you will write 4. Count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just put the 7 zeros. Similarly, put the plus sign. Then it comes 6. write 6, count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just put 6 zeros, then give a plus sign, then it is 3. So after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so put 5 zeros, then 1, then 5, you will write 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, so just put 4 zeros, then 1, write 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 digits, so you will give 3 zeros for that, then 4, you will write 4, 2 digits after 4, so you will write 2 zeros, then give a plus sign, then 8, write 8, then after 8 there is only 1 digit, so you will put only 1 zero, then give a plus sign and it is 9, so you will write 9 because there are no digits after 9. Now, the next question, that is question number 4. Write the successor and predecessor of the number. To solve question number 4, we have to first know that what is successor and what is predecessor. Now, successor is the number that comes just after a given number. जो कोई एक नंबर दिया हुआ रहता है उसका ठीक नेक्स्ट वाला जो नंबर है उसको सक्सेसर बोला जाता है. So the number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. So simply to find the successor we have to find the successor of a number we add 1 to the given number. This is a simple rule. And predecessor means the number that comes just before a given number. उसके पहले वाला जो नंबर है गिवन नंबर का जो पहला वाला नंबर है ठीक उसके आगे वाला जो नंबर है उसको प्रेडिसेसर बोला जाता है. एंड टू फाइंड आउट द प्रेडिसेसर ऑफ एनी नंबर जस्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द प्रेडिसेसर ऑफ अ नंबर वी सबट्रैक्ट 1. टू फाइंड आउट सक्सेसर वी हैव टू ऐड 1 to the given number and to find out the predecessor क्या करना है subtract करना है 1 from the given number. Now write down the number. This is given, so we have to find out predecessor means पहला वाला, successor मतलब बाद वाला next वाला. So predecessor मतलब previous वाला number. So for finding out the predecessor what we have to do just simply subtract 1 from the given number. Given number कौन सा है ये, write down this -1, so you will get the predecessor of that. And for finding out the successor what we have to do is simply add 1 to the given number. That is this. So simply we can add and we will get the successor जो next वाला number है. Now question number 5. Find the place value and face value of all the digits in the above mentioned number. जो ये नंबर दिया गया है इसका हर एक डिजिट का of all the digits हर एक डिजिट का place value क्या है and face value क्या है. Now first of all we have to know that what is called face value and what is called place value of any digit. तो face value क्या होता है? Face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself, whatever the place it occupies in the place value chart. मतलब place value chart में अगर एक digit को किसी भी place में हो, face value will be the number of number itself. मतलब अगर 5, take 5 and 5 is placed under the 1000 place value, उसका फेस वैल्यू फिर भी क्या होगा 5 होगा. अगर सिमिलरली 5 जो है दिस नंबर इज प्लेस्ड अंडर द वंस प्लेस देन ऑल्सो द फेस वैल्यू विल बी 5. सो फेस वैल्यू ऑफ एनी डिजिट विल बी द नंबर इट्स, जो भी नंबर दिया गया है उसका फेस वैल्यू वही नंबर होगा. सिंपल. प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगा, जो भी एक नंबर है वो कौन से प्लेस के अंदर में लिखा गया है वही उसका प्लेस वैल्यू होगा. सिमिलरली लाइक प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ अ डिजिट डिपेंड्स ऑन द पोजीशन ऑफ द डिजिट इन द नंबर. कौन सी पोजीशन में है वो डिजिट, कौन सी प्लेस में है वही उसका प्लेस वैल्यू होगा. सो फाइंडिंग आउट द फेस वैल्यू एंड द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ एवरी डिजिट in this number what we have to do, just write down the number. This is digit. This column is mentioned for face value and this column is mentioned for place value. Now write down each digit. 2, 4, 6, 3, whatever the digits are there in the number, just write down one by one. Then we have to find out the face value of each and every digit. So we know that face value का मतलब क्या है? The number itself. So here it is 2, so face value will be 2. Here it is 4, so the face value will be 4. Here it is 6, face value will be 6. Similarly, you can see that 3, 3, 5, 5, 1, 1, 4, 4, 8, 8, 9, 9. इसका मतलब फेस वैल्यू कोई भी डिजिट दिया गया है उसका वही डिजिट होता है उसका फेस वैल्यू. नाउ कम्स टू द प्लेस वैल्यू. प्लेस वैल्यू यहाँ पे देखो 2, फर्स्ट डिजिट इज 2. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So its place is 10 crore. So we will write 2 into 10 crore. This is your place value. Then 4, that means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. That means 4 into 1 crore. Similarly 6. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So you will write 6 into 10 lakh. Then 3 into 1 lakh. 5 into 10,000. 1 into 1,000. 4 into 100. 8 into tens and 9 into ones. That means 9 into 1. So I hope everyone has got some idea of number system, Indian number system. So thank you for watching. Take care.